While speaking any language, if we overuse words and sentences, that shows we are not a fluent speaker of that particular language. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all some important thing. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. I've seen many beginners, they overuse in initial days. It's okay, it's important, because anyhow we should speak English language no matter we are making mistakes or what. So if we continue this mistake for a long time, I mean for 1 year, 2 years, that's not good. We need to work on those mistakes, right? But I have seen many people, they overuse and maybe they are not aware that they need to work on that. And how can they work on that? For that they need to work on their vocabulary. The more vocabulary we have, the more good way we are going to speak English language. Okay, so if we talk about we should use it, but limited time. The place where it is needed. It is the filler word, right? We should know where we need to use. But I've seen many people, they use many times where it is not needed. And to be honest, when I was a beginner, I used to use same way. And I guess more than 1 year, I used to use a lot. I mean, I used to overuse, So in your case also, if you are a beginner, you have just started your journey, so it's okay. You should anyhow speak English language. No matter you are overusing any word or sentence, it doesn't matter. You just have to speak English language. But if you have been practicing for a long time, I mean for 6 months and 6 months plus, then you need to focus on this kind of things, because whether you are saying it to someone or not, that you are a beginner or you are an intermediate level, they can easily guess if you overuse or there are many things. If you are making those mistakes, before you tell that you are a beginner or an intermediate level or what, people will catch you. Okay? So you need to work on these things. I mean, it's okay, I told you, if you are a beginner, no need to worry. But if you have been practicing for a long time, you need to work on this kind of things. And now also I use but not many times. If you watch my previous videos, you will find it that I used to use many times because I was a beginner. Now I have many words. Now I have many ways to say the same thing. Earlier I had only one way to say one thing or many things. I didn't have many vocabulary. I didn't know how to speak English language. But now I think I know, but not perfectly. I'm not saying that I'm an advanced speaker. I'm saying that I'm learning. Okay, so if you overuse any word or any sentence, if someone is giving you honest feedback, take it positive way and try to work on that one. I mean, when I was a beginner, many people, they told me, Anita, you need to work on your you are overusing it. And I was not aware. I was thinking, oh, I'm speaking English language. As a beginner, when I started speaking 5 minutes continuously or 10 minutes continuously, I was thinking, okay, I can speak English language. But it was not fluency. Okay, but I was very happy as a beginner that I was able to at least speak English language. So as a beginner, you should be happy that you are able to speak English language, no matter how many mistakes you are making while speaking. But if you have spent a lot of time, 1 year or 6 months, then you need to focus on this kind of things, because I told you, either you are telling it to someone or not that you are a beginner or an intermediate level, they will easily catch you if you are overusing or if you are overusing any another filler word. Okay, so this is the thing. How did I get this topic? I wanted to create video on this topic for a long time, but today I decided to create because many people, they are not aware of these kind of things. Maybe are you? If you are a beginner, you might be not aware. If you are an advanced speaker, if you are an intermediate speaker, you must be knowing this, right? You must be knowing that if someone is overusing that means he or she is not a fluent speaker. Okay, so we got to do this work. We need to decrease using and we cannot stop using Why? Because it is important. It is a filler word. We need to use it, but where we have to learn. If we have less words, if we have less vocabulary, then anyhow we have to convey our message, right? Then we use filler words a lot. But my friends, I told you that we should use limited time. Let me tell you one funny thing. Few days back, I used to watch news channels and I used to watch many videos related to hot weather and all. And when I watched those videos, literally I'm telling you all that I was very much worried about hot weather. Okay? But it's been 4 or 5 days here. It has been raining. And when I watched those news channel, I was very much worried that how people are going to cope up with this problem. But after 4 or 5 days of rainfall, people, they are wearing sweater. Seriously, people in my village, they are wearing sweater. First time in my life, in May month, my area people, they are wearing sweater. Not everyone, but some of them. I didn't expect this. It was out of expectation that I thought it is going to be very hot, and here in May month, literally in May month, people are wearing sweater. Okay, so when it happened, when I noticed some people wearing sweater, I was laughing, or I was just thinking that how much worry I was, after watching those news channels. So we should not take tension. It's nature. Nothing is certain, right? At any time, anything can happen. So I've learned this lesson. Weather is very cool here. It's so good, so pleasant weather. As you can see, my garden is not as green as it used to be, but it will be, Let the rain fall, it will be green, but it's not green now. It's okay. So it's evening time. Here I'm recording my video from my garden. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. So work on your vocabulary. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.